Now, hi guys. Now let's consider this other topic, indices. Under indices, we have 7 laws of indices. On the numbers, I'm here for these 2 practical questions. Simplify 1 to 5 raised to power 1 minus 3 and simplify 8 raised to power 2 minus 3. Now, I will only quote some of the law, but the second law is talking about this. Now, the first law says if we have s raised to power 8 times s raised to power e, they have the same base. This is the power. I will pick 1, then I will equate the power. The multiplication sign will change to addition by saying a plus b. This is the law. The second law says x raised to power a divided by x raised to power b. The same base, equate the power. Division changes to subtraction by saying s raised to power a minus b. Why we have power of 0? Anything raised to power 0 will be 1. We have the negative law as well. Like if I have something like this negativity means 1 over, then I will have my x here. If it is a figure like 4 over minus 2, that will be 1 over, the negativity means 1 over, then I will say 4 raised to power 2, which is 1 over 4 raised to power 2, which is 16. Now let's move to this question. The question says simplify 1 to 5 raised to power 1 minus 3. Simplify 8 raised to power 2 minus 3. I will solve this question 1, then I will give my viewers to solve this question 2. So let's go. Solution 1 to 5 raised to power 1 raised to power 1 minus 3. This 1 minus 3 is talking about the second law of indices, which says division changes to subtraction. So I will turn it back to division by saying 1 to 5 raised to power 1 over 3. Now the root here is 3. The power here is 1. Now I will follow the root. What digit will I multiply 3 times? Because I'm having 3, that will give me 1 to 5. Definitely it will be what? 5. And if I say 5 times 5 times 5, which will be 1 to 5, that is 5 raised to power 3. So I will say 5 raised to power 3, open bracket, 1 over 3. There is another law that says multiply the outer bracket with the inner bracket. That's 3 times 1. I'm going to have 5 raised to power 3 times 1, 3 over 3. Then this will cancel this. I have 5 raised to power 1. My final answer is 5. Either I say plus or minus. 5, that it can be plus or minus by 4.